welcome back to the Makisode YouTube channel. Have we all been? Happy New Year! Happy New Year! We're in the 2022. It's a great year to be in, and I wish you all wonderful things, awesome outcomes this new year. So we want to start the year with a skirt. You know how we made this on this skirt. This skirt is a two-part skirt. I also want to use the opportunity to say thank you to all those who watched my previous video, the video on the ribbed skirt. I appreciate you all. Thank you so very much. And then let's just go into this one. This skirt was made in two parts, right? It was made for a person who is small size, say a size 8, right? Now the first part of this skirt is this inner part. You notice underneath the mesh we have this ribbed part of the skirt. This is how we started. So essentially you chain the length of chain. Now how I make my clothes is that I use measurements all through. I don't assume, I do not depend on just the size of the hook or the size of the yarn or the type of yarn. Usually I work with measurements. So this person is a size 8, right? And so I measured from her hip, to just say about 4 inches above the knee, all right? And then chained that number of chains. I think altogether here I had about 30, if not 40, thereabouts, all right? And then used the rib stitch, the rib crochet stitch technique, which is a single crochet in the back loops only, and worked this round part. When I was done, I closed it up as needed. Now the next part that I worked was the band. The band, I used the front post, back post technique with double crochet stitches, right? And I measured about say 2.5 inches wide. Now just like I did with the ribbed skirt, I made room for a lace, which were actually inserted in this one. So after working about 5 rows, I made one where I insert infused chains to create these holes here for the lace, right? And then I did another 2 rows of the front post, back post stitch to give it this beautiful look. Now after that, we went, I worked these with the size 6mm hook. After that, this mesh part, we worked it with a size 5mm hook. What we did is the triple crochet stitch, meaning we yarn over 3 times instead of twice as in the double crochet stitch. And then worked this mesh. This mesh, as you can see, if you look at that, you have 2 stitches of the triple crochet and then 2 chains, another 2 stitches, 2 chains, like that to work it. To give it this very rich ruffled fluff, right? We inserted 2 of those in one spot. You notice this is the beginning, and work that all around. Now after we worked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows, we now started working in diagonal forms, meaning we walk around, get here, and then chain up and then go back the other way. Now this skirt is about 39 inches long, 38 to 39 inches long, which is how high this person is from the navel to the ankle. Hence this very beautiful mesh skirt that we have here. It's a very beautiful skirt. You can wear it to church, you can wear it to work, you can wear it pretty much anywhere you want to wear it. Thank you so much for watching. Do like and place a comment, and do not forget to subscribe for more beautiful tutorials and inspiration here with us. Thank you for watching. Happy New Year once again. Bye now.